You know your idea, you know the audience, but turning it into polished blog posts, social posts, videos takes forever.
Meet Hix.ai, the all-in-one content creation platform built to streamline writing, images, video, and more.
From blog drafts to social captions, from image generation to video clips, it's all in one place. Here's where it gets better. Type your topic, set the tone, and Hix.ai drafts a full article with SEO built in.
Need visuals? Just type your idea and watch it become a high-quality image in the style you want. Perfect for blog banners or social posts.
And yes, you can even generate short videos inside Hix.ai. From text or image to motion, a big leap for content creators.
Users love the time savings and versatility. But keep in mind, the free plan adds watermarks, and advanced features unlock with paid tiers.
In practice, I uploaded a research PDF, asked Hix.ai to summarize, edited it in minutes. No more staring at thousands of words.
If you're ready to scale content and reclaim your time, try Hix.ai today. Link in description to get started.
The difference? What used to take hours now takes minutes, letting you focus on ideas, not formatting or rewriting.
The built-in chat doesn't just reply, it understands context, documents, and even tone preferences.
Teams can collaborate live inside one workspace. Writers, editors, designers all stay synced.
Plus, it doubles as an advanced grammar and clarity checker. No plugin needed.
And with integrations like WordPress and Notion, publishing your drafts takes just one click.
Working in a rush? The Hix.ai Chrome extension helps you draft social posts anywhere you browse.
Thousands of users rated above 4.8 stars for ease of use and creativity boost.
Compared to Jasper or ChatGPT, Hix.ai bundles writing, visuals, and video in one. Fewer tabs, faster flow.
Need an email sequence. It auto-writes catchy subject lines, CTAs, and full campaign templates.
It saved me hours weekly. One small business owner said, "It's like having a creative team in my laptop, non-stop."
And with its social post planner, you can schedule and preview content without leaving Hix.ai.
Advanced users can even build reusable prompt templates. Your custom workflows on repeat. Multilingual? No problem, Ken. Hix.ai supports over 50 languages for global reach.
It syncs your workspace seamlessly across devices, perfect for creators on the move.
Worried about privacy? Hix.ai encrypts everything, pals. Nothing stored or shared.
Free plan gives a solid start, but the Pro tier unlocks unlimited generations, images, and priority speed.
Ready to create more? Stress less. Click below and start your Hix.ai journey today.
From words to visuals, strategy to delivery, Hix.ai ties it all together into one creative hub.